chemistry concept videos. In this video we are going to see about voids. So what are voids? In a crystal, lattice points are the places where the atom can accommodate. So basic cube, we are having 8 lattice points, the primitive cube. The voids are spaces which is unoccupied. The empty spaces are called to be voids. The unoccupied spaces are called to be voids. So here we are going to find what are the types of voids and the coordination number with respect to the types of voids. First one, we are considering 3 atoms, very minimum 3 atoms are connected. 3 atoms are connected. We are getting an empty space in between the 3 atoms. The empty space in between the 3 atoms. So since it is having 3 sides, it is considered to be trigonal void. The void is trigonal void. And at this void, if I am fixing a position at this void, I can able to coordinate with 1, 2 and 3 atoms. So the nearest neighbor is considered to be the coordination number. So coordination number of trigonal void is 3. So number of atoms which is coordinating this trigonal void, that is 3. The next, I am placing an atom over this trigonal void. When I am placing an atom over this trigonal void, 3-dimensionally, it will fit to give a void like tetrahedron. Give a void like tetrahedron, and this void is termed as tetrahedral void. Tetrahedral void. To bring this void, if suppose in the 3-dimensional space I am placing this particular point, this will be coordinating with 1, 2, 3 and 4th atom. So the coordination number of tetrahedral void is 4. In addition to this, we are having 2 more voids. This is a trigonal void, and when a trigonal void is placed over a trigonal void, right, we are having 6 sets of atoms. This is the second layer. We will get a void in such a position that which has 8 sides. So this type of void is octahedral void. Octahedral void. Moreover, we can understand 2 tetrahedral voids contribute to form an octahedral void. So number of octahedral void present in a cube is considered to be 2 times the number of tetrahedral void present in the cube. And the 4th one, we are having cubic voids. Cubic void, it resembles like a simple cube and it will be coordinated. It is having the coordination number 8. For octahedral void, the coordination number is 3 atoms at the first layer and 3 atoms at the second layer. So the coordination number of octahedral void is 6. So I repeat, trigonal void, the coordination number is 3. So we will get a triangular space. And tetrahedral void, we are getting the tetrahedron at the junction of the 4 atoms. So the coordination number is 4. In octahedral void, we are having 2 tetrahedral void replicated and the coordination number is 6. The cubic void, we are having coordination number 8 and it resembles like a simple cube. The void itself resembles like a simple cube. Probably in the next video, we will discuss about the radius ratio and how to identify which type of void is present in an ionic crystal. Thank you.